how to fix Instagram message primary general option is not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Instagram message primary general option not showing on your mobile device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram, you will got such interface. So from here, tap on the message icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from the section, you can easily find the options like primary, general, and request options. So if you are not finding the option on your Instagram, you'll have to just back from here and from the home screen, tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, tap on the option 3 line just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like creator tools and controls. So it will appear at the for professional section. So simply tap on the option creator tools and control. Alright, so in my case, I have already set a professional account on my Instagram account. So in your case, you might be seeing options like add a professional account. So from your, you'll have to just tap on the option add a professional account. And now from here, you'll have to just tap on the option next. And from here, you'll have to just select the options like digital creator. And after you select it, tap on the option switch to professional account. Alright, so from here, you can easily enter your phone number or you can also enter your email. So from here, you can easily provide your email ID. And after you done it, tap on next. Okay, so from here, tap on the option continue as your account. Alright, so after you complete from there, you'll have to just exit the Instagram application from there and you have to just again open the Instagram app and from here you'll have to just tap on message icon again at the top right corner. Okay, so from the section you can easily access the primary, general and request option on your Instagram. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.